Hi everyone, welcome back. Wondering how Maya eSIM works? In this video, we will explain how to easily use Maya eSIM for seamless connectivity on your device. How does Maya eSIM work? Ensure your device is unlocked and supports eSIM by checking the eSIM device list. Purchase an eSIM plan from Maya Mobile. Receive your eSIM activation details via email, which may include a QR code. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or Android device. Scan QR code to install eSIM. Once installed, you can manage multiple plans without replacing your existing physical SIM. Enable or disable the eSIM plan as needed through your device's settings. Fix 3 eSIM compatibility. Go to eSIM compatibility page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then scroll down to compatible device section and check the available list. If you see your device's name and model, you can install eSIM in your device without any issue. If not, you cannot install the eSIM. Check carrier unlock status. If your phone is locked, you cannot activate Maya eSIM on your device. For iOS, go to settings, then general, then go to about, then tap on carrier lock. If it states no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it states SIM locked, your iPhone is still locked to a carrier. For Android, go to your phone settings app, connection or network and internet, mobile network SIM turn off automatically. If your phone displays multiple carrier names, it is likely unlocked. If it only shows your current carrier, it is likely locked. To unlock the device, reach out to current network and raise a request. If you are eligible, they will help you to unlock the device. Check coverage. Make sure you have a good coverage in country you're traveling with. Go to Maya coverage map. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then enter your country name or address in the search bar. Make sure you have enough coverage to use Maya eSIM there. Step 1. Buy eSIM. Go to Maya mobile shop page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Select your country to buy the SIM. Select validity and plan. Select buy now button. Review and confirm the plan details. If you want, you can turn on automatic payment option. Click review and pay button. Enter the required details to sign up. Again, click review and pay. Follow on screen instructions to log in and update payment method to confirm the process. Once your purchase is successful, you will receive an email titled Your eSIM is ready. This email contains the QR code needed for activation. Step 2. Installing eSIM. Method 1. Install using QR code. Open the email you received from Maya Mobile and locate the QR code for your eSIM. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data. Tap on Add eSIM. Click Use QR code. Scan the code provided by Maya Mobile. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the process. During the process, you will be prompted to name the SIM. Follow the screen, click Continue. Select your primary SIM for default line and iMessage. Click Continue. Select Allow cellular data switching for Maya eSIM. Click Done button. For Android devices, open settings, go to network and internet, select SIM manager, select add eSIM. These steps might vary, it depends on device. Scan the QR code provided by Maya Mobile, follow on screen instructions to install the eSIM. Log into your Maya Mobile account. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click My eSIM in the navigation menu. Click Install eSIM under your plan and click Manual Activation Code on the pop-up. Copy the activation code and enter it on your device when prompted. Method 2. Install eSIM manually. For iOS, open settings, then cellular, then tap on cellular plans, add eSIM, tap enter details manually near the bottom of the camera. Enter the SMTP plus address shown in your account, enter the activation code shown in your account, tap next in the top right and follow the prompts to continue the eSIM installation. For Android, open settings, network and internet, SIMs plus icon, download a SIM instead. Near the bottom of the screen on the message that appears, tap yes, then tap next. The phone's camera will open. Tap Need Help at bottom of the screen on the Help Adding a Network screen underneath having trouble scanning your QR code. You can tap Enter it manually. Now enter the manual activation code exactly as it appears in your Maya mobile account. Follow these steps on the screen to confirm the new data plan. Step 3. Turn on eSIM. How to turn on eSIM? It is recommended to turn on the eSIM once reached the destination to avoid additional unwanted data usage. For iPhone, open the Settings app, tap on cellular or mobile data. You should see your Maya eSIM listed. If it's not enabled, tap on it and toggle the switch to turn it on. For Android, open the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, select SIM card manager or mobile networks. Choose the Maya eSIM card you want to enable and toggle the switch to turn it on. Activation process. Once you turn on the SIM, your device will automatically start searching for a signal. This process typically begins immediately. Look for indicators like 5G or 4G LTE in the signal status bar on your device. This indicates that a data connection has been successfully established. If you see these indicators, you are connected and ready to use your mobile data. Be patient if no connection. In some cases, it may take up to 15 minutes for a data connection to be established. If you do not see a connection right away, wait patiently. Various factors, including carrier configuration and environmental conditions, can affect how quickly your eSIM connects. Step 4. Turn on data roaming. For iPhone, open the Settings app, tap on cellular or mobile data, select cellular data option, tap on data roaming and toggle it to turn it on. For Android, open the Settings app, tap on network and internet or connections, select mobile network or SIM card manager, choose the Maya eSIM you want to enable data roaming for. Find the data roaming option and toggle it to turn it on.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.